Alright, today we're up in the tree stand out in my woods, just documenting the sound, because in a couple weeks the cicadas will be here. And it won't sound this quiet. The 17-year cicadas, they're waiting to come out. We'll be here soon. So I'll be back to record what it sounds like down here in a couple weeks. Okay, a couple weeks later. Can you tell the difference in the sound? It's really not all that loud here on my property. A lot of places I've heard a lot louder. And that's the 17-year cicada. Thanks for watching. Take care.